Everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the stored cross-site scripting vulnerability in the web applications. So first of all, in the previous video we have looked about and discussed about reflected cross-site scripting. So what's the difference between reflected and stored cross-site scripting? Reflected cross-site scripting is being executed directly in our response, while the stored cross-site scripting is not being executed directly. It's being stored in the website in somewhere or some part of the web application, and it's being executed every time when a certain user visits a certain site. So now we have the vulnerable application from the PortSwigger Academy, and let's look at one of them. So as we can see, there is a blog, and so first of all let's view one of the posts. Post ID 5, and now as we can see, we can leave a comment behind. So first, let's analyze the code of the application itself. So as we can see, there is no encoding included, just let's make it a little bit bigger. So now we can see there is each comment is being stored in the website. So that's the exactly type of the cross-site scripting where it can store cross-site scripting where it can appear. So let's leave our simple HTML. This is the HTML injection, not cross-site scripting. So h1 closing tag, then okay, and now we left our first comment on the web application, and as you can see, our comment being directly encoded, not encoded, but being treated as a certain type of HTML. So let's try this thing abuse and make it more vulnerable. So first close the paragraph, then our script, then alert. For example, let's try to run our document cookie, and now so we have posted our comment and we have solid log. So now let's view our script, how it works, and as we can see, script being executed. So this type of cross-site scripting is more vulnerable, is more dangerous than any other, because it's being executed every time when a certain user visits this site. So thanks for watching.